There are so many people in our society and in our neighborhood who love you, young folks. All of these people here love you, they care for you, and they contribute to this park because they want you all to be healthy and to have fun. So it gives me great honor to be here for this ribbon cutting for this park, but also to brag a little bit and say that in the past 2 years, this is about our 5th park that we have cut the ribbon on, and we're happy to continue to be bringing new playgrounds and parks to the 27th Ward. Thank you all. Congratulations.
You guys have been so great. I've been trying to find something to get involved in the city. When I was a kid your age, I had a place I could play every day. I had a school. I had friends like you guys do. And when I got out of school, I looked to try to help the younger kids. So kids your age, I'm trying to make sure you guys have stuff to do after school, trying to make sure you guys have enough to eat. And with great things like Blessings in a Backpack and like the Chicago Park District to allow you guys to have a great place to play here, a clean, fun, safe place to play, it gives you guys opportunities to do things every day. And if I didn't have that, I probably wouldn't be here as a Chicago Bear representing my team and my community. So thanks again to United Healthcare, the Blessings in a Backpack, and for all the people that are out here today to help support these kids and make sure they have enough to eat and to make sure they have a place to play, because without our youth we're nothing. So we love you guys very much, and keep working hard in school and having fun.